Hi there, if you ever try to find perfect automated trendline indicator on TradingView, you know how challenging it can be. There are dozens of trendline indicators available, but most of them end up making your charts looks messy, just like this one. Of course, these look chaotic. If you are looking for professional trendline indicator that shows you only the most relevant trend lines, you are on right place. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to find it, install it, and I will show you how to customize options that they will fit to your trading style or your strategy perfectly. Let's get started. To add this indicator, go to Indicators, then in Technical, choose Indicators, and then simply type Trend Lines and add Supports. After you find trendline supports and resistance indicators, just click on this one, and you will simply add this indicator on your charts. You probably noticed that indicator also draws support and resistance. In case that you don't need them, I'm going to explain you how to delete them. In case that you don't want support and resistance on your charts, just click anywhere on indicator, and then from the tab menu choose Style. In Style, you need to uncheck boxes. In this way, you are going to remove support and resistance, and if you want also to remove these labels, you need to uncheck labels. After this, you can confirm, and your charts are going to look professional and clean. The best part, this indicator is automated and it works perfectly on any time frame or any currency pair. For example, if you switch on a different time frame and you don't have enough trend lines, you need to double click on indicator and add additional points, so this indicator will have more data to calculate additional trend lines. And just like this, we have additional trend line. Personally, I like to use support and resistance included in this indicator. What I like to do is just to remove labels. After double click anywhere on indicator, I just unchecked labels, confirm with the OK, and now everything is much more visible and more clean. After you set up this indicator, only with few clicks, indicator will clearly show you the range that you can trade. As you can see, this range is so visible. And now you can play with your strategy and your entry models and trade between those levels. I hope you like this video and you find this indicator useful. Thank you very much. See you next video. Bye bye.